Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Carrie
and Andrea. Pecans deliver key nutrients like protein, fiber, heart-healthy fats, and minerals.
Plus, they're just the best tasting nut ever. So enjoy more with these plant-based recipes.
Cherry Pecan Energy Bites. In a food processor, add toasted pecans, dried cherries, dates, oats, cocoa powder, and vanilla. Pulse ingredients until they bind together. Roll mixture into balls and store refrigerated in an airtight container.
Pecan, pear, pomegranate, kale salad. Drizzle kale with olive oil and massage. Add pear slices, pecans, and pomegranate seeds and toss together. In a jar, combine olive oil, apple cider vinegar, mustard, salt, and pepper. Shake dressing together and drizzle over kale mixture. Toss salad and serve.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigY.com.